Welcome to English Made Simple. I love helping people learn English in the easiest way possible. Here, I'll share tips, tricks, and simple ways to practice speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Do you ever dream of having a conversation in English, but your mind goes blank? Don't worry. In this lesson, you will learn 15 super common and useful English phrases. You can start using them right away, even if you are just beginning your English journey. Learning English is a journey, so remember to be patient with yourself. Feel free to pause this video anytime to practice the phrases. You can also watch it again later to help the phrases stick in your memory. Alright, are you ready to start? Let's begin with our first group of phrases. Friendly greetings and simple ways to start a conversation. Our first phrase is a very common and casual way to say hello. How's it going? Notice how we connect the words. How's it sounds like one word. Let's practice this together. Repeat after me. How's it going? A simple reply is, pretty good. How about you? Let's practice the whole thing. How's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Great job. Phrase number 2 is perfect when you meet a friend you haven't seen in a while. Long time no see. What have you been up to? This just means, what is new in your life? A common and easy answer is, not much, just working a lot. Let's say it together. Long time no see. What have you been up to? Not much, just working a lot. Excellent work! A common answer to what have you been up to is our third phrase, I've been keeping busy. Many of us are always doing something, so this is a very true and useful phrase. Let's practice the full conversation. What have you been up to lately? Oh, not much. I've been keeping busy. Wonderful! Now, let's move to phrases for talking about your day. Phrase number 4 is, I've got a lot on my plate today. This doesn't mean you have a lot of food. It means you are very busy. For example, if a friend asks, do you want to get coffee? You can say, I'd love to, but I've got a lot on my plate today. Maybe another time? Let's practice. Do you want to get coffee? I'd love to, but I've got a lot on my plate today. Maybe another time? Perfect. Phrase number 5 is for those busy or difficult days. I just need to get through today. You can use this when you feel a little stressed. For example, how's your day going? It's been so busy. I just need to get through today. Let's practice together. How's your day going? It's been so busy. I just need to get through today. You're doing great. Now for a happier phrase. Number 6. That made my day. Or, you made my day. You say this when something small but wonderful happens. Imagine a friend brings you a small gift. You can say, wow, thank you. That made my day. Let's try it. I brought you a small gift. Wow, thank you. That made my day. Amazing. Our next group of phrases is for everyday situations, like ordering food and shopping. Phrase number 7 is for ordering. Could I get an item, please? For example, could I get a coffee, please? Or, could I get a sandwich, please? It's polite and clear. Let's practice. Hi, could I get a coffee, please? Sure. Anything else? Fantastic job. Phrase number 8 is very useful when you are shopping for clothes. Do you have this in a different size? If a shirt is too big or pants are too small, you can ask this. Let's practice it together. I like this shirt, but do you have this in a different size? Of course. What size are you looking for? Well done. Phrase number 9 is for when you need to pay. Can I pay with a card? It's always good to know if a store accepts cards. This is a simple but very important question. Let's say it out loud. Excuse me, can I pay with a card here? Yes, that's fine. Excellent. Now, let's learn some phrases for making plans with friends. Phrase number 10 is, are you free this weekend? Here, free means available, not without cost. It's a common way to ask about someone's schedule. Let's practice. Hey, are you free this weekend? Yes, I am. Let's do something. Great job. Phrase number 11 is a casual way to suggest eating together. Let's grab a bite to eat. This means let's get some simple food, like a snack or a quick lunch. It's not for a formal dinner. Repeat after me. I'm getting hungry. Let's grab a bite to eat. Sure, that sounds good. You're doing amazing. Phrase number 12 is a simple and friendly way to agree with a plan. Sounds good to me. If your friend says, let's meet at the park, you can reply, sounds good to me. It's very easy to use. Let's practice together. Let's meet at 3 p.m. Sounds good to me. Perfect. Our final group of phrases is for asking for help, which is so important. Phrase number 13 is, excuse me, do you know where the place is? For example, excuse me, do you know where the library is? This is a polite way to ask for directions. Let's try it. Excuse me, do you know where the train station is? Yes, it's straight ahead. Wonderful. Phrase number 14 is another way to ask for directions. I'm looking for a place. You can say, hi, excuse me, I'm looking for a pharmacy. Is there one near here? This is very clear and polite. Let's practice. Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for a bank. Yes, there's one on the next street. Excellent work. And now, our final phrase, number 15. This might be the most important phrase for any English learner. Could you say that again, please? Never be afraid to ask someone to repeat themselves if you don't understand. It's a key part of learning. Let's imagine a shopkeeper tells you a price too quickly. You can say, could you say that again, please? Let's practice. That will be $14. Could you say that again, please? Of course. Fantastic. So, There you have them. 15 simple phrases to help you start speaking English in everyday situations. How did you feel about them? Were any of them new for you? Remember, you can always pause and go back to practice the ones you find tricky. Learning a language is a journey, so be kind to yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support this channel. It helps me a lot and allows me to keep creating simple English lessons for you. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope these 15 friendly phrases give you more confidence to start your next English conversation. Remember, the goal is to communicate and connect with people. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try using one new phrase this week. You can do this. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and for taking this step in your English learning journey. I'm so proud of you for practicing along with me. Keep up the fantastic work. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support this channel. Your support helps me create more simple and helpful lessons for you. I'll see you in the next video here on English Made Simple. Until then, keep practicing and believe in yourself. Bye for now.